Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and in today's video we're gonna do another recap of the gold forex trading market and what happened in those charts in today's market day. Why? Because we had some really powerful moves that we need to talk about. As you know, this is what we are doing here on this channel. Either way, we need to see this and let's say unpack all the information. So if you're curious about what happened in the gold forex trading market and the specifics of today's potential trades, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna have a look at the gold forex trading market and what happened in those charts for today. Well, let's say gold hasn't been that exciting lately, especially after it's been starting to fall down and kind of stabilize itself, let's say, but definitely it's still a really good market to play around with if you have the right tools and the right opportunities and you know what you're doing. So without further ado, let's jump right into those charts and see exactly what happened. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen here, it's a snapshot of today's market itself, and I want to say that in today's market, as you can see, it hasn't been one massive really powerful move. It's been a couple of continuous trends which definitely represent opportunities for you to step in and take those for you. But today let's just concentrate on the biggest one that we can see, and definitely that would be this one that I'm showing here, and we're gonna talk about in a few seconds. Definitely this is something that anybody could have jumped in if they had something like the momentum trading indicator to tell them when it's time to actually step in and take that trade for them. Now the actual potential behind this chart that you're seeing here is more than you would actually think about. And think about this, gold is usually one of those metals that hold its value, so whatever gold does definitely is worth investing in, especially when we are still having some really significant potential trades and potential pips out of each and every trade in the gold forex trading market, which we cannot say about all the markets on forex. Definitely this is a particular for the gold forex trading market. I haven't seen any other forex markets before. Definitely gold is one of my favorites just because of this reason. Like with little to no effort, you can definitely get big and get to go home, if that makes sense. Anyway, more on the momentum trading indicator, which is the indicator that you're seeing on the screen here. This is a proprietary indicator which was created here by us at TradeLabs, so you can get the kind of information that you need straight away from the bat. Really easy to understand information. As you can see, this is clear as day that we are looking at the bearish market, right? A bearish trend. Now, this is something clearly visible for anyone who looks at this chart right here, and it's really easy to understand. So no more squiggly charts and wasting time trying to understand whoever's strategy for the market and the candlestick charts, which never tell you that kind of information, level of data that you actually need. So what you're seeing here is straight away served on a plate for you. Now, if you're curious to test out the momentum trading indicator for yourself, then stick around until the end of the video because we're going to share with you some details on the free trial that we are running. So you get to test the indicator for yourself, see exactly what it's capable of, and definitely, trust me, you're gonna fall in love with it. Now, coming back to the actual trade that you see on the screen here, this, like I mentioned, it's a bearish trend which started roughly at 9:30 in the morning. And bear in mind, we had multiple other opportunities for trades earlier during the day, but today we're just gonna have a look at this one, okay? So this bearish trend started roughly at 9:30 in the morning. This is where the momentum trading indicator indicated the starting point of the trend change, and down over here where the actual market starts to go up, and this happened roughly at a 11:15. So this is a bearish trend which lasted roughly 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the potential behind it will definitely surprise you. If we were to consider the highest points and the lowest points of this potential trade, then of course we would need to take the starting point just over here at a price point of 1855, which went all the way down until roughly where the momentum trading indicator decided that the market direction is starting to change, and this happened at its lowest point here at 1840. Now, if you do the math behind it, you are left with a staggering potential of 15 points. Now, 15 points are not pips, and you heard me say this over and over again, and I know it's like a broken record at this time. But anyway, if you're new here, then it's useful for you. If you're old here and you already know what I'm talking about, then just shut your ears for 2 seconds, okay? If you want to transform your points into pips, all you need to do is multiply by 100, and there you go, you have your pips. This might actually turn into some sort of a theme song. Let me think about that. Anyway, so we have 15 points times 100, and there you go, you have a really powerful potential of 1,500 potential pips into one trade, which lasted for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And as you know, what I'm usually asking you guys at this point, because this is like fairly easy, and please feel free to let me know in the comment section down below if I'm not making any sense, but this is really easy information and really easy opportunities for you to just come in, grab it, and take it home. So here I come again with this question. What was your excuse for not trading today? Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you found it useful, informative, and really good for your trading skills. Why? Because it's always good to have a look at what's happening in the market, especially in the gold forex trading market. Even if it's one of the mellow days, we still have plenty opportunities for trades, and this is something that it's clearly shown by the momentum trading indicator, which by the way I wouldn't change for the life of me. Like, I know that we created here at TradeLabs this thing, but trust me when I say this is life-changing and a night and day difference in your trading information and how you can take informed decisions and be confident in your trades based on the indicator that you're using, and I'm so in love with it. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.